Okay. Now, if you want to remove an element from your wrist, you can do this by using the pop method. And let's say my wrist dot pop. Okay. Okay. Remember, just when we pop, we remove the rust element. So we can do this. Let's say, let's create my item is equal to my wrist dot pop. Then let's print our wrist. Let's see. So printing this, you can see the apple is removed from our wrist. Also, if you want to remove a specific element, you can do that with the remove method. For example, we can let's just use this. You can just insert a method here dot remove. Then what do you want to remove? Let's say you want to remove oranges. Okay, just remember it's a string. You should not, and remember that the spelling are correct. So let's print here. You can see oranges are removed. So you can also decide to remove all the elements in your list. You can do this by using the clear method. For example, just here, you can just use my list dot clear. Okay, if we clear and we save this, if we print here, you can see we have empty list.